Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you some work from home jobs and side hustles that you can do where you have maximum flexibility with your schedule and you get paid to read lines of text. So one place to check is Twine.net. Twine actually has a few work from home jobs. They have a lot of freelance work from home jobs, but they have some that meet the criteria that you get paid to basically do voice work. So if you go to Twine and you look at their jobs here, you can find something like a voiceover artist where you get to work as a freelance. They do have one in the US right now. They do have other jobs in other countries as well, like United Kingdom. They have quite a few for them. You have Portugal, UAE, and a few others. But with this type of job, basically a popular YouTube channel focusing on exposing toxic ingredients in American food and personal care products is seeking a talented voiceover artist. The channel is expanding its content to include shorts, which are 1 minute and shorter video clips. This role offers a potential for consistent long-term work for the right candidate. And the responsibilities for this is to record high-quality voiceovers for YouTube shorts, deliver clear, engaging narration that captures the channel's tone, and message convey information about toxic ingredients in food and personal care products effectively, and adapt vocal state to suit different video themes and topics. So basically they will make the information for you. This channel is already established and they will probably give you some sort of script that they want you to read, and you are only reading enough for up to 1 minute video at a time. So you are not really reading a ton at once for each video. So requirements here: professional grade voice recording equipment and software, excellent voice quality, and clear narration. But ability to convey information engagingly in short, concise formats, familiarity with YouTube Shorts format and style, quick learner, and you can adapt to the channel's specific tone and subject matter, and reliable and able to meet tight deadlines are some of the things they are looking for here. They don't mention exactly how much you get paid for most jobs on here, but you can just kind of look over what a typical voiceover artist might actually make. If you look at what a typical voiceover artist can make, it looks like the average is somewhere around $72,000 yearly if you were to work full-time, but with these you are working mostly part-time, and it would probably be close to just the hourly range, which if you do the math here would probably be closer to around $35 an hour. Twine also has pretty good scores with a 5 out of 5 star rating and 100% of the people recommending working here to a friend. So as for next, we have a company called ACX. ACX is a place that is supposed to be owned by Amazon and actually the biggest network for audiobooks that are used with Amazon and Audibles, which of course is also part of the Amazon. So at ACX, you actually get paid to narrate books. So you're helping create audiobooks from the written word, and you're just getting paid mainly to read that text and emphasize certain words, maybe use some accents, and depending on the type of the book that it is. So like as a narrator, you just follow their step-by-step guide. You create your profile, you start auditioning. So you can go for, maybe you can do different type of accents really well that would meet certain type of books, maybe like fiction. Maybe you are very good at just reading and sounding professional. Maybe you will read some like biographies or something like that. There's a lot of different type of books obviously that you could narrate. You get to collaborate, work on your terms, make your life easier by basically managing your own schedule as long as you meet deadlines. And other than that, you might have to have some good recording equipment, but basically you're getting paid to read audiobooks, and that's essentially that ACX is all about. They don't really have a ton of reviews yet, but they do have a 4 out of 5 star rating. You also have Voices.com. Voices.com is one of the biggest sites in the world for finding voice artist work, where you can get paid to read either a few lines of text like an ad, or for maybe a video or some sort of media, or you can also get paid to also do video narration, animation. You can do podcast. You can do all sort of different things. People make money from their voice in all sort of different ways. You could literally do even just a few words for like the intro of a podcast, For instance, but voices.com pretty much has everything you can think of. You can see all the different areas that they have audio jobs in. At the top here, you have ads, you have phone video games, documentaries, trailers, voice assistant, podcast, etc. And also many different languages. And you just kind of sign up, create your profile, and then you can start getting work from there. But as far as the rates go, they have very competitive rates. They actually can pay you very well here. They have two main type of jobs here. So they have like categories and they have kind of like subcategories from there. The main categories are like non-podcast jobs, which are going to be like artist type work like podcast, e-learning videos and things like that. And things that are not used for paid advertisement. And you'll notice that the budget is usually anywhere from, a couple hundred to maybe even a few thousand. And many of these are only a few minutes of finished recording, up to around an hour. So broadcast jobs are kind of other main category here, which has to do with ads like radio ads, television ads, online ads, and those are some of the most common ones. But then you can see the budget here a lot of times is actually more than non-broadcast alternatives. So you have online ads, radio, television, they can all be local, regional or national. It goes in a variety of different areas that you can do this. So as far as would like to work at voices.com, they have 3.4 out of 5 star rating and 71% actually recommend working here to a friend. As far as hourly rates here, according to reviews, we do have a little bit more feedback than the first two sites I showed you, and we're looking at somewhere around this. One says $38 an hour. This one says around $29 to $52 an hour. Being kind of full range here, you see some that are also very similar to that, saying a little bit more closer to like $41 an hour on average. It just depends on who you ask. And then you have some freelancer that said close to $27 an hour. There are a lot of different factors that go into this. As you can see, length, word count, longer the script is more it will cost. So how the voice is being used, how experienced you are, there are a lot of different factors that go into how much you might be able to make. So that's why you might see kind of wider range of pay here. We also have a place called getblend.com, which is usually just called Blend. But if you want to sign up as a freelancer and do more work like this, where you're getting paid to read some lines of text, you can check out getblend.com. And go to the freelancers. Now they actually have other jobs as well. If you are multilingual, that can actually be an advantage here. If you are multilingual, you can get paid to also do translation work. So those are the two main type of works that they do for freelancers here, is translation and voice artist work. So when you are talking about Blend here, they allow people to apply from anywhere in the world. Obviously, you don't need an interview or anything like that, and you get to make your own schedule, just like you do with pretty much all these other jobs, and you can also be paid via PayPal here. So you have voice talent, you have linguistic talents where you can either get paid to, do some narration or something like that, or you can get paid to translate things into other languages. So it's a fairly straightforward platform. You just sign up as a freelancer, you build a profile just like many others, and instead of having to go through a traditional interview process, and then as far as the different applications that you can use for voice work here, specifically for voice artist work, they have this for e-learning, they have in-game narration and character recording. They have interactive voice response and all contact center and telephony apps, non-paid ad video, and you have pre-roll paid ad videos, and voice recordings, text to speech, podcast, audiobooks, and much. As for experts like to work here at Blend, they have a 3.7 out of 5 star rating, and 70% actually recommend working here to a friend. Last but not the least, we have DataVio.ai. It's a little bit different. Instead of doing voice artist work where you have all sort of different freelance gigs available to you, you can look at DataVio speech data collector jobs that are available right now. So they have these all over the world. As you can see on the left side here, they have many different countries where they're hiring for these, and then many of these are like one-off type jobs where once you complete a certain set of work, you are done. You don't really have like an ongoing job. It's not like you have to really commit to anything long term, so it's more of like a side hustle type of things. Like for this one, for instance, as you see right here, if you look at the description for this speech data collector, they are going to vary in terms of which languages they are accepting and which countries you're applying in will determine a few different things like pay, what languages you would use, and things like that. But usually these are short speech data collection tasks where the project involves gathering and mirroring audio data, and data will be used to understand and process audio input and help improve AI programs and AI virtual assistants. So you will be required to record 60 phrases, and all that will vary depending on which of these you apply for and in what country it's for. But as far as how you are going to do that, you can use it, you can do it online via a computer or a smartphone. It's usually only going to take up to 40 minutes for each one of these. You must be native, a speaker in that language, must be located in the country you are applying in, have access to a computer, able to meet deadlines, and available immediately. And they pay you about $20 an hour via PayPal. And this one again, it can vary. Like if you were to click on another one, you can look at the pay for that one. It looks like the pay is fairly consistent. Some of them will have a longer duration than others. But as far as what you are doing for the job, it's literally just like something if you need a little bit of extra money on the side and you're literally just getting paid to read some short phrases in a certain language so that they can help use them to train these AI voice assistant as far as what it's like to work here. So if you look at their reviews, they have a 4 out of 5 star rating and 83% recommend working here to a friend. So hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you want more daily work from home opportunities like these. If this was helpful, please click the like button. It helps me know what type of content you prefer. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.